Concrete blocks are everywhere. They are those big rectangular bricks you see in walls. We use concrete blocks to build houses, schools, and even fences. Making concrete blocks is like baking a cake. You need the right ingredients and a special recipe. Let's learn how it's done. First, we need cement, which is like the glue that holds everything together. We also need aggregate, which is a fancy word for sand and gravel. These give the block strength. Finally, we need water. It helps the cement mix and harden. We mix all the ingredients in a big machine called a mixer. It's like a giant food processor. The mixer spins and makes a thick grey paste. This paste is poured into molds, which are like giant ice cube trays. The molds shape the paste into blocks. The blocks need to rest and get strong. This is called curing. We carefully stack the blocks and let them sit for a few weeks. After curing, the blocks are ready to use. We can build walls, fences, and many other things. That's how we make concrete blocks. It's a cool process that uses simple materials to create strong and useful building blocks.